Hi, welcome back to Chef Upuli's Fiery Flavors. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the chili paste very quick, and I have all my ingredients, and I have a 3/4 cup of oil and the salt for the taste, and these are all my ingredients. We'll do it. So I'm going to add my oil. Now my oil is ready. I'm going to add my curry leaves. If you don't have a curry leaves, you can go without the curry leaves. Now I'm going to add my minced garlic and let it mix together. And when my garlic get brown, and I'm going to add my cinnamon and the mashed cardamom. And when you mash it, it get all the flavors into the oil. It get very good fragrance. And then I'm going to add my chili flakes and well mix it, and until it's get cooked, I'm going to grind my small shrimps. My small shrimp I washed and I put into the oven and make it dry well, and then I'm going to grind it. I'm not going to fry it. And I add my sugar into this, and now I'm going to add my small shrimp, grinded small shrimp. Then I'm going to add my soy sauce, and soy sauce give you the color and the really good salty flavors. Then I'm going to add my salt according to my taste, and then I will mix it, and this is the time for take it out from the cooker, and now it is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. This chili paste is superb. Please make it and let me know. Thank you for watching. Love you guys.